Today, a series of macroeconomic data from the United States is on investors' radars. Fresh data on industrial production will enable the market to assess a scale of the damage from the pandemic. Traders are braced for downbeat data. Futures on the benchmark US indexes are trading low on Friday. Doom and gloom on Wall Street in the early New York trade was caused by expectations of weak US economic data. The Dow Jones shed over 1% in the early session, but then regained some losses to trade at 23,321. The S&P 500 showed a similar dynamic and settled at 2,815.62. Judging by elevated levels of the stock indexes, investors are unwilling to take into account escalating trade tensions between the United States and China. Havoc across global financial markets and uncertain prospects of the global economy boosted demand for the US dollar. Notably, Donald Trump used to target the Fed's policy, which inflated the US dollar. However, now he expectantly puts a priority on the strong dollar. Investors were puzzled by such statement of the US leader yesterday. Perhaps he followed the popular strategy of policymakers: if you cannot break the trend, rule it. Anyway, having found support from the president, the US currency is likely to continue its advance. At present, the greenback is winning favor with investors. Its index is trading above the level of 100 points with a minor downward bias. Most analysts expect the index to carry on trading on the range from 99 to 101. It could climb, sticking to the upper border of the trading range. Today, the US released a series of downbeat data. Industrial production tumbled to the record 11.2% in April, slightly better than expected. Nevertheless, the US industry logged the sharpest slump over 100 years of conducting such surveys. US retail sales also hit a fresh negative record. Retail sales contracted 16.4% on months instead of the expected 12% fall. Today, the US House of Representatives is due to pass the bill on the anti-coronavirus measures worth $3 trillion. The USD paced trading today in the area above 1.40. The loonie has not been able to benefit from the rally of oil prices, so on Friday it lost steam. WTI futures are extending a winning streak in the New York trade. The North American grade settled up at $28.67 a barrel. The global oil market is closing with the gains for the third week in a row. Last weekend, the crypto market incurred losses. Bitcoin took a nosedive despite the fact that a few hours were left before its halving. By the end of this week, the most popular cryptocurrency was able to regain footing. On Thursday, Bitcoin touched briefly the level of $9,800. The trade volume increased alongside its price. This indicates a further uptrend. Meanwhile, bulls have not been able to push the price up to $10,000 per token. It's essential for Bitcoin to test this psychological level. The market will be betting on Bitcoin's steady uptrend on condition that it surpasses this psychological and technical level. Today, Bitcoin is trading higher at near $9,600 per token. In a nutshell, the following is unfolding in the crypto market. Bitcoin is trading at near-round levels because some investors believe in its further uptrend, whereas others are locking in profits. Meanwhile, the balance of bears and bulls are in equilibrium. Over the recent 24 hours, the Greed and Fear Index rose 4 points, approaching the fear area. To sum it up, Bitcoin is closing the week with solid gains. That's all for today. You're watching Financial Market News on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina. We wish you profitable trading and have a nice weekend. See you on Monday.